Hello, welcome to the inside of my TS-830S. I put it on a day before yesterday, used on 20 meters. Notice I had a carrier on both side bands with a dead key of over 10 watts. For some reason the carrier balance was well out of whack. Don't ask me how. Murphy got in there. So I started cleaning some of the band switches, which are down by there. Some of the band switches, some of the wafers. Just giving it a general clean, that's all. And lo and behold, if you see that blue capacitor there, this one, I've just changed it. I noticed that possibly due to heat from the tubes, it had cracked there, and also right along the top as well. It's still functional, it's still working, but I dare say somewhere along the line it's going to break down. So after a bit of a dig about, I found a replacement, a little bit higher voltage as well. That one's rated for 2 kilovolts. So there we go. There's the anode caps. Anode caps there. Obviously you don't touch inside a valve radio without discharging the main capacitors, which are these two here. They can be charged up to almost 900 volts or so. Bit of a rundown of the internals of the 830. P section, driver tube. P section uses a pair of 6146Bs. These are original General Electric tubes. These are the original 6146Bs. They pop in there. Let me just put that back. Mains transformer, counter unit, IF board, RF board, and up underneath, if we turn it over, are the PLL section and whatever. But I like all the mechanics on the older gear. Excuse the low light. This camera doesn't work well at all with low light, even though I've got a lamp just up there facing down. If you look at the drive, you can see it's all mechanical. Excuse the noise in the background. That's the washing machine in the kitchen, jumping around. On the other side of the kitchen, in a small room here. So there we go, just nestled down underneath there. Just nestled down underneath here, that aluminium can is the VFO, which if you remove the 4 hex bolts, it all slides out. Whoops, knocked over the dummy load. There we go. I like all the mechanics. Band switch. As you can see, switches in different wafers, or different sections on the wafers. As you can see, you can still get your fingers into them. Alright, they're still a complicated radio, but unlike the modern gear, they are fixable if you can source some spare parts. One problem with a lot of the older radios are This shaft here works the loading capacitor on the PA section, and it runs through to the front. Very nice. As I was saying, one of the problems with some of the older gear is the nylon couplings tend to crack. They crack down where the little grub screw is. They crack down there, and they become sloppy, and the shaft can actually turn without the capacitor turning, and start to get problems. One little fix is to, if the coupling is still in good condition like this one is, it's not cracked at all, is to remove the grub screws and put a little bit of Loctite in there. True, Kenwood at the time they were building these didn't put any Loctite or anything at all on them, and there's a lot of stress on the nylon and it cracks. I'm not sure if there's one around here which is cracked. No. Anyway, P section, cooling fan. So, and underneath is the AF board, the PLL section. But, what a lovely piece of radio engineering. Built in around about 1980, give or take. Still working now, in 2011. But, electronics and mechanics in perfect harmony. Hello, I've got the P section back together. The cover is back on there. Danger, high voltage. Got the radio on 28500, I've already tuned up. And we have a power of, hello, 4, 4. We're on the centre scale, 50, 100, 150, 200, we're on that scale. 4, 4, 4. Speaking about 120 watts is the homemade dummy load. Speaking about 120 watts, but it goes up there quite easy, as you can see. Hello, 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 hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. Your milliamps is running okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. So there we go. Put the lids and whatever back on it, and see where we go from there. I dare say you'll need a little bit more TLC another day. That's the beauty of these older radios. You can actually get inside there and do some, if not all the work yourself. There we go.